Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Cincoze DS-400 embedded computer series. So friends, the DS-400 series can be equipped with Intel 12th generation Alder Lake-S processor offering up to 16 cores with support for up to 64 GB of DDR5 memory at up to 4800 MHz with ECC, and it features up to 2 PCIe or PCIe expansion slot, one of which can support a maximum of 110 watt with a dimensions of 111 by 235 mm. And friend, its adjustable PCIe card retainer ensures the DS-400 operates stably in industrial environment with continuous vibration, achieving precise and rapid inspection efficiency. And friend, as the main system of the AOI, the DS-400 must be able to connect the peripheral device required for AOI such as high-speed cameras, lights, sensors and displays. And in addition to native high-speed, the expansion area allows for modular expansion using Cincoze exclusive models such as 10 GB LAN, M12 LAN, USB 3.2 and PoE. And friend, is the part of the Cincoze Rugged Computing Diamond product line. The DS-400 series continues Cincoze's commitment to rugged security. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.